Hello everyone, Ollie the repair dude is here again. This is part 4, which is the final part of the tutorial on how to hackintosh your machine. In this part 4, I will be installing the bootloader. First, mount the EFI partition. Go to Finder, Application, Utilities, Terminal. Enter disk util list. Find out what is the number of your EFI folder and the disk number. For me it's disk 0 and the number is 3 for the EFI volume. Then enter sudo make dir /volumes/EFI. Enter the macOS password. Finally, enter sudo mount -t ms-dos/dev/ the disk number, s, and the volume number of the EFI folder, which is number 3. Then space /volumes/EFI, hit enter, and the EFI partition should be mounted. Go to EFI, move the boot to trash, then open bootloader from your USB drive, open EFI, copy boot, copy Clover, or OC depending on the type of bootloader you use. For me, I'm using Clover. Close the EFI folder in the USB drive and close the EFI partition. The next step is to add the boot entry, so return to Windows. Alright, back on Windows. I'm going to use EasyUEFI to add the boot entry of the Hackintosh installation. Go to whichever browser I use. Right now it's Microsoft Edge. Go to easyuefi.com. Scroll down. You'll see EasyUEFI. Click Learn More. Click Free Trial. Allow it to download. This will take some time. Click Open File. Select English, click OK. Click I accept the agreement, next. Install. Make sure you tick Launch #slow EasyUEFI and click Finish. And allow it to launch. Click this, away. Click OK. Click Manage EFI boot options. Delete macOS X. Press the delete selected entry. Click yes. Then click add. Select the UEFI partition. Type Linux or other OS. Description, type hackintosh. For the file, go browse. Click the expand EFI boot. Select boot x64 EFI. Click OK and click OK. Move the Hackintosh up above the Windows Boot Management. Once done, congratulations, you just added the boot entry for Hackintosh and you are ready to boot. The add boot option is already done. Let's try booting without the Hackintosh installer USB. Turn on the computer. By the way, it failed boot the first attempt. This is my other attempt to boot using the hard drive only without the Hackintosh USB. Let's try again. Allow it to boot. And it boot up. Just log in. And boom! Hackintosh installation is finally complete. I really hope you enjoy my tutorial. Please like, share and comment on my videos. Subscribe to my channel and please do donate. The link to donate is in the description below. And see you in the next tutorial video.